Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 6th of April. So we said the FTSE had held the 75.74 to 75.82 zone overnight, and that zone could be key at the open. If we held it as support, then gain acceptance above 76.09 to 76.14, then we could move to the next resistance at 76.29 to 76.37. We said, however, if we broke below it and it turned into resistance, we could see moves towards support today at 75.32 to 75.39. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so you can see here on the FTSE, we did open up above that 75, 74 to 75, 82 zone, and we moved into the 76.09 to 76.14 zone, but we couldn't get that acceptance above, and we actually had a little bit of a reversal pattern here from that minor resistance zone as well. So although we was opening above that support zone, we couldn't gain the acceptance above that 76.09 to 76.14. We came down, and when we tested it, it was actually price was a little bit choppy around it. We broke down, tried to break up, then came down. We did hold it as support here, but we then got this really strong impulsive move down. And notice the difference here. So we had this push down through the zone. We came back up here. We did have a fairly strong signal here, but it didn't break down. We then broke up, we then came back down. When we finally broke down, we pulled up and we held that zone as resistance. Remember, we said if we break below it and it turned into resistance, we could see moves towards 75.32 to 75.39. So on this pull down here, although we did see a bit of action below it, when we moved back into the zone, we didn't hold it as resistance. We did get this nice strong impulsive candle. If that had broken down, then I think that would have been a signal that would have been tradable, but it didn't, and we moved above. It wasn't until we actually broke down and held it as resistance that we then got that push down into that 75.32 to 75.39 zone, and as you can see, we have held that as support today. So the zones on the FTSE have worked really nicely today. There were some great opportunities to trade from. A little bit of messy action sort of around this area here on that key support zone, but ultimately it did come back down and work quite nicely. So now let's go and have a look at the DAX. Okay, so on the DAX, we said that 14.315 to 14.335 is key support at the open. Sustained break below there, and we could see move towards the higher time frame support of 14.080 to 14.115 today. We said if we held it as support and saw acceptance above 14.400 to 425, then we have resistance at the top of the range at 600 to 625. So let's go and see what the DAX did today. So the DAX, a bit like the FTSE, opened up above that key support zone. We pushed up into that 14.400 to 425 zone. Again, like the FTSE, we had that minor resistance zone, and you got the really nice reversal candle there. However, a little bit dangerous taking it above the support zone, but we got a really nice, strong, impulsive push through that zone. So with that was the, and then that broke down. So that's your sustained break below there. You're then looking for reasons to get short. This in itself could be a reason, but we had a really nice pattern here to get short. We got some more signals here. And then we saw that move down into this 14.080 to 14.115 support zone here. I was actually expecting a bit of a stronger bounce off of here. I was looking for reversals in this area, but nothing actually that got triggered from the higher time frame. So yeah, I was actually looking for a trade from this area, but nothing actually materialized. We have got FOMC meeting minutes tonight, so a lot will depend on that as to how the markets react overnight to that news, and then we can have a look to see whether how we're pitched for our buyers tomorrow. Because if we stay below this 14.080 to 14.115 zone on the DAX, it's actually starting to look a little bit more bearish, and we'll be switching our general attention back to the bear side. If we can get back above there and start targeting that 300, that sort of that 325 to 345 zone, then maybe we'll be starting to look to be a bit more neutral and could look for a few more longs. But at the moment, if we hold below there, then I would definitely be looking more to stick to the bias on the bear side. So I hope you found these reports useful. Please comment, let me know what you think. Please also, if you're not already a subscriber, come sign up to our Key Zone Service course. The link is in the description box below. You can come join the Key Zone Traders community on our Discord channels. You get these reports pre-market every single morning. You get the recaps, and you just get to be part of a great community. So please, it's completely free. Come sign up. You'll also receive access to our free weekly newsletter. We give out more insights into the market. It's just a whole load of really good free content to add value to your trading. So please sign up today. Also like the video, as I say, and comment and let me know what you think. I hope you're having a great week, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.